Yo guys, we were just like riding like where we normally ride, like down here, and we were gonna go down this trail right here, and we see another one, so we're gonna go down it and like see what's down here. Ready? I'm with my cousin too. Go. Now we're on his property, so like I don't know what's down here, but like we're gonna check it out, you know? Jackson! Okay guys, so far we just like come over here and we saw this, like a bunch of wood. So we're gonna go like over here and see what we find. Alright. Yo, I think this is a track. Okay, so I'm gonna go slow just because I don't know this place, but got a little hill. Bro lost his shoe! Alright, so I'm pretty sure that this is a track. I mean, there's jumps in like hills and stuff, but I'm just gonna follow my cousin, but okay, so this is the trail that I saw. So let's go down this one. Oh, I already see stickers, so go slow. Oh God. track was sick. I'm glad we went down that trail. Alright, that's it for this video. We just found a random trail with a dirt bike track, I guess, but that's it for the video. Peace out.